I hug my mom. I hug my mom. I fall on the floor. I fall on the floor. I click selfies from my phone. I click selfies from my phone. I jump into the water. I jump into the water. I study science at school. I study science at school. I stand near the window. I stand near the window. I open the book quietly. I open the book quietly. I sleep early at night. I sleep early at night. I turn on the heater when it is cold. I turn on the heater when it is cold. I switch off the lights. I switch off the lights. I record videos from my phone. I record videos from my phone. I text my friend every day. I text my friend every day. I learn English at school. I learn English at school. I clean my shoes with a brush. I clean my shoes with a brush. I wash my hands before dinner. I wash my hands before dinner. I tie my shoelaces. I tie my shoelaces. I hang my towel on the peg. I hang the towel on the peg. I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. I fold the clothes neatly. I fold the clothes neatly. I iron my uniform. I iron my uniform. I feed the dog. I feed the dog. I water the plants. I water the plants. I eat an apple slice. I eat an apple slice. I fry fish for dinner. I fry fish for dinner. I cook rice in a cooker. I cook rice in a cooker. I make cookies with a rolling pin. I make cookies from a rolling pin. I stir the pot of soup. I stir the pot of soup. I taste the curry before dinner. I taste the curry before dinner. I wash the plates after dinner. I wash the plates after dinner. I clean the table after dinner. I clean the table after dinner. I clean the kitchen after dinner. I clean the kitchen after dinner. I dust the shelves every Monday. I dust the shelves every Monday. I wash clothes on Saturday. I wash clothes on Saturday. I dry clothes on the line. I dry clothes on the line. I wear sweaters in winter. I wear sweaters in winter. I wear a cap on picnics. I wear a cap on picnics. I ate ice cream yesterday. I ate ice cream yesterday. I watched an interesting movie. I watched an interesting movie. I made pancakes in the morning. I made pancakes in the morning. I bought a new pair of shoes. I bought a new pair of shoes. I am hosting a party tomorrow. I am hosting a party tomorrow. I am ordering fast food for the party. I am ordering fast food for the party. I am working out at the gym. I am working out at the gym. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Comment down below which video you guys would like to see next. Until next time.